What's up, guys? I'm Ishmeet Singh Rath, and today I'm going to talk about Canadian tax system. So it is not that complex, but everyone should know about it. If you are coming to Canada or you are here right now, then you should know all the information. Like, you should not be ignorant to it. It is something which is very much important. The Canadian tax system is very hard. Not hard, but very huge. They take a chunk of money from your salaries and your income, so everyone should know. Here in this video today, I will talk about income tax and sales tax. So for business tax system, if you want to know about it, then you can comment down, and definitely I will make video on it. So let's move to my screen and understand the tax system. Here we can see Canada tax system with my my channel name, Ishmeet Singh Rath. And moving further, introduction. Here we are going to talk about Canada sales tax, income tax brackets, and applications which can make your life really easy. Because here we have progressive tax system, so everyone cannot calculate their salaries and their taxes as per the slabs. So there are many applications where you can help yourself. We will talk about that too. Okay, now moving to the next slide. Here we can see it's a sales tax. Now there are three type of taxes, like provincial tax system, federal tax, which is GST, and then harmonized sales tax. Now, in the province like British Columbia, Manitoba, Quebec, Saskatchewan, here we have both PST and GST, where PST is 7% and GST is 5%. Quebec is a province where they have, PST higher, like 9.975%, which is quite high. I live in Manitoba, but if I would be in Quebec, then it's quite high. So in Saskatchewan it's 6%, which is low. So I take it average of 12% is a tax which is there in these provinces. Now going to the federal tax, GST. So there are provinces like Alberta, North Territories, Nunavut, and Yukon. These provinces have like only 5% of tax. They don't charge a provincial tax, so the federal taxation is only there. So that is why people usually travel to Alberta. Now we are living in Manitoba right now, and the people who wants to buy some expensive goods, what they do, they just make a trip to Alberta. They hang out to Banff, which is a very beautiful place. They travel to Calgary, have a good time, and then purchase their expensive stuffs and come back to Manitoba. So Alberta is not that far. It is far, 12 hours of ride, but anyways, for selling some bugs and having a good trip, it's a good deal, no? So moving further, we have a harmonized sales tax, which is HST, blend of GST and PST. It is 15%, quite high, because there you can see that it was just 12%, which was the highest one, where PST and GST was charged. But here in HST, it is 15% in New Brunswick, Newfoundland and Labrador, Nova Scotia, and Prince Edward Island. Now Ontario, they have a exception because their HST is only 13%, which is lower but still higher than Manitoba, where it's 12%, so 1% higher. I don't know why, but this is the magic. Like in India, if you are from India, then all states have same rules, but here all provinces have different kind of rules. So moving ahead, and now this is a bill which you can see, it's from Manitoba Dollarama. Okay, and there you can see a bill was only for $5, and the GST is 5% and PST is 7%, which costed us 60 cents extra. Now this is a bill, old bill, and the sales tax is still same. So here now we will talk about salary tax system, and these are the slabs, and I took these slabs from taxtip.ca. They are legitimate. I have visited some other websites also. They have the same kind of slabs. Government website is not updated. They still have 2020 tax system. So I'm sorry. This is the current one. Oh my god. So here, first, So, and now, as we all know that Canada has a progressive tax system. So it means that if your income is low, then you will be taxed less. If your income is high, then you will be taxed more. For example, if your salary is around $20,000 or $30,000 only for a year, then you will be taxed only 10.80%, which is 10.80%. But in case if your salary is around $60,000, then your first $34,431 will be taxed 10.80%, and then the remaining amount, which is quite around 25569, it will be taxed with 12.75%. So as per that, like in case if your salary is more than $80,000, $90,000, $20,000, then calculate it accordingly. Now it is quite complex because everyone are not good in math. Even I am also not good in that. So that is why I use applications too. So in case if you want to use applications, then there are many applications right now. Currently, I have used this one. Let's open the link, and I use ca.talent, and you can use many other applications too. Here, let's see. Now it's first. Let's put our salary like 30,000 and annual income Manitoba, because I live in Manitoba. So okay, it's calculating. Yep, here it is. So 30,000 federal tax, which is $4,000, provincial tax $3,000, CPP and EI deductions. So they are some extra deductions which are done by the government. So we will talk about it in the next slide. So let's talk about statement right now. So now the total tax is 9,019. Here you can see from your income you paid like 30% of tax. Wow, if your salary is 30,000, then 30.1% is your taxed amount. Wow, very high. So net pay is 20,981. So you earn 30,000, you take home 20,981, which is low. But there are many services also, which we will talk in next slide, and it's because of this CPP and EI, but they are very useful things. So, and this application is so good that if you want to see like monthly, like for example, if I say I'm only earning around per month, I'm earning $3,000, man. Okay, so let's calculate it, and we can check that how much income I'm getting for a year. 2090, I want to check, it's monthly. Okay, so every month I should get $2,090 in my account. So like this, I can check my payslip, and with this application, that how much income should I get in my account every month. This is the amount, and if you are pitching to a company like how much salary you expect, then you can put your salary here. Like if I'm going for software development and I want to pitch my desired salary, I can check that okay, if I want like every month or yearly, I'm expecting $90,000. Okay, so I will put $90,000 I'm expecting. So I will check here annually, calculate, and it will give me a result annually that how much income will I get. 59,672. I will check my monthly too. So that means every month, if my salary is $90,000 annually, then I will get $4,973 every month in my account. Wow, that's not too much, but it's they are taxing me 33.7%. So that is why it's said that if you are in the salary bracket in Canada, then you are losing money. That's why the financial experts suggest you to start your business, start consulting, and make your proprietor company, and then you can manage your taxes. Because here in Canada, people who are working are giving more taxes. So that's why country is also motivating you to start more businesses so that we can bring more money into the country. Yeah, so moving ahead, so let's talk about CPP and EI. Now they are very good deals, CPP and EIs. Here the next slide is additional reductions. CPP is a Canada pension plan and EI is employment insurance. Canada pension plan after age of 65, if you have earned well and you have give a good proportion of your income, then that means you will get a good proportion of your money in your account every month, like a stipend from the government. So let's open their website. It's a government website, okay, and here. So be at least 60-year-old. This is the guideline, and the standard age to start the pension is 65. However, you can start receiving it as early as age 60 or as late as age 70. Now these are the guidelines. I will share this link under this video. You can go and check out, okay. And then moving to the employment insurance. This insurance is basically like in case if you lose your job or something happened to you, then government will give you money, okay. So but there are many conditions over it. So let's open the website and check out that what they are talking about. Employment insurance benefit and leave. Okay, so started September 25. There is temporary changes, okay, and here you can read this: employment insurance benefits and leave information for workers, families, fishers and sickness, how to apply and how to submit a report. Now let's go to this, who is eligible and who is not eligible. I will share this URL under this video, so do check out, okay. So these deductions are helpful for you in case after 5 years or 10 years if you lose your job, then government will support. For an example, in COVID, government paid money, gave money to their people who were giving EI, employment insurance. So like my friend told me that he got $4,000 every month, which is huge amount. So and he would be earning good too. So yeah, so here it is. All the conditions are here. You can go and check out, okay. Now moving ahead, here this is a salary, it's a payslip, okay. It's an old payslip. Currently in Manitoba, the minimum wage rate is increased to 13.50. This is the old payslip, which is with 11.95 rate. So here we can see that it's a 24.73 hours which was worked, and then 11.95 was a rate which was minimum rate. Total earning was 295.52. 11.82 is extra pay from the company, I think. I don't know why it is there for. Then the total pay was $307.34, and deductions is the CPP and EI, and it was $14, and the end final salary was $292. It's a 2 week. I'm sorry, it's a 2 week salary pay. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. So finally, all the information is done. I hope you like this video. In case if you haven't understand anything, so finally all the slides are done. I hope you like this video. In case if you have any confusion, then please write down in the comment box. I will solve all your questions, and in case if I have to make another video, I will definitely make it, okay. And because of all these videos, I am also learning a lot, because before this I have to read everything, I have to understand, put it in my head, and then I have to deliver it in front of you. It takes quite hard work, but I'm good with it. I love this job. It's something which is not paying me anything, but I feel good. And if you are liking this video, then please subscribe this channel. This is something which is motivating me a lot, and I hope you will like it. So take care, good day, good night, bye bye.